Hey, this is Sujata Mukherjee, personal development enthusiast, course curator, and success coach. I'm also an avid movie watcher and a movie buff. My last evening's movie was Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda is 2008 American computer animated martial arts comedy film produced by DreamWorks Animation and distributed by Paramount Pictures. Story is by Ethan Reef and Cyrus Voris and directed by John Stevenson. What parents need to know are kids are sure to enjoy Kung Fu Panda, which stars Jack Black as the voice of the main character. It's a humorous, heartwarming movie and it will appeal to grown ups too. Better for 5 plus kids. The movie boasts positive messages. The key lessons are the power you seek outside lies within you. It's all about being who you are and believing in yourself. Your destination can be hidden in your biggest weakness. So surely do a SWOT analysis and work on it. Be determined enough to stand your dream. Set it to get it. Nobody is ordinary. You are important and unique in your own special way. Explore your special talents and skills. Untap your hidden potential. Don't stop. Keep going, keep growing, keep glowing.